This is an important announcement. This transit is for gates 1.
You say you love my baby, my brother. That's my baby.
Yeah, that's a baby?
Yeah, man.
A good vibes. It's nice.
I love my baby.
Yeah, so that's a baby.
Yeah.
Alright, Sean, they don't know the thing already.
I'm a baby dad.
A good vibes, guys. We just there. We are going to do a thing in the meantime. Alright, so we are getting ready now. You have one at the back, them?
Yeah.
Oh. Good vibes. Alright. Yeah. Don't know. Everything good, Fire? Everything good?
Yeah, take me with me funny time, mate.
Yeah, man, cool, man. Proper cool, guys. There again, but there again. Don't know. Where we are going? Yes, I feel a little bit much better. Tired.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove top embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Iron flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather around the fire tonight. Taste the rhythm, pure delight. Every dish a work of art. Feel the love in every part. Coconut rice, so divine. Mango salsa, oh so fine. With every bite a happy sign. Taste Jamaica and you'll fly. Simmering in a coconut stew. Planting golden brown, it's true. Kitchen's alive with his groove. Ricardo knows just how to soothe. Let's gather around the fire tonight. Taste the rhythm, pure delight. Every dish a work of art. Feel the love in every part.
This is an important announcement. This transit is for gates 1 to
We have to take the shuttle to go over there, guys. Yeah, we have to take the shuttle to go over there. At the moment, I don't know where I am. Probably we're going under some tunnel. Very cool.
Please remain on the transit for gate 30 to 39. This is an important announcement. Leave the transit at this station for gate 1 to 19. Please remain on the transit for gate 20 to 39. This is an
This area look nice, man. I like this view. I think this is one of the best view, Mrs. so far.
Inside, that's a nice.
Yeah. Is this just recently fixed? Is it? Wow, it's nice. Look at that, guys. Yeah. This is the toilet area, but it's really nice. Look at that view. That view is really nice. So if you're taking out the view, you guys can see exactly what's going on. Look at that. Wow. I think this is one of the best sections I see so far because of the viewing, and the whole thing looks so amazing. Then you take out the long stretch. Look at that. Sorry. Oh, you been alright?
Yeah. So we continue that. I can just send money to get my first day. So I'm doing what I can do. I just come back. Look before they come down. What in the video life? Yeah. I'm tired.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove top embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Iron flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo